What makes Sevier County a popular tourist destination is we're the entranceway to the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. We have 10 million visitors a year. We have more than double the Grand Canyon, more than 3 times the visitors of Yosemite. If you're injured in a car accident in Sevier County, even if you're from another state, even if you're from another country, you can file suit here. You can get recovery here in Sevier County. Being in a serious car accident while on vacation can absolutely change both yours and your family's future. You go from a time of happy enjoyment of what's supposed to be a wonderful family outing, and you can end up with permanent, life-changing injuries. When you're in a car accident, you can have a multitude of injuries. You can have broken bones, sprained ligaments, whiplash, soft tissue damage, and unfortunately, even be killed. When someone comes to see us after being injured on vacation, they're often distraught. They're often in fear. What's supposed to be a time of family fun and excitement has potentially ruined and scarred their entire future. It's our job to help heal those wounds, the fear they're dealing with, the uncertainty, to guide them through that process. When someone's injured in a car accident, it's the insurance company's job to make sure they pay them as little as possible, even if it's their own insured. It's our job to make sure that they don't get taken advantage of. It's our job to make sure we recover for them as much as possible. One of the questions we often hear is, what happens if the person who hit them doesn't have insurance? It's our job to make sure that there's recovery. Oftentimes that means fighting your own insurance company to go after your underinsured motorist coverage. People come into our office and hire us because of our knowledge, our experience, and our willingness to fight. What we provide is a voice guiding them through an otherwise chaotic process. Client communication is one of the most important things we do in this office. We understand that when a client comes in with an injury, that's the most important thing in their world. It's important that our clients stay informed. That's why we always return our phone calls and emails within 24 hours. We are a smaller law firm, Hometown Values, that gives individual attention to every file. One of the nicer benefits of having a smaller firm is that one of the partners is always overseeing your case. One of the benefits of being a smaller firm is that unlike large firms, we don't hand files off to paralegals to only be a name on a sign. We handle the cases. We deal with the adjusters. We fight for you. What makes our firm different than other firms is the specialized attention we bring to every client. It's not just a file. It's not just a case. These are people. People who've been injured, people who've suffered, who've been taken advantage of oftentimes by their own insurance company. These are our neighbors. These are our friends. These are our family. If you've been injured while on vacation, our office is set up to meet with you, even if you're from out of state. Whether that's doing a telephone meeting, a meeting via Zoom or other Skype or other means, we're fully set up to do it. When it comes to signing paperwork, to signing releases, to signing the documents necessary in order to fight for you, we're fully set up with DocuSign and other software so that we can completely interact with you as if you were live and in person.